Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Christy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, hey, hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Guys, today is a different kind of video. As you see, my whole face is not on, but my eyebrows are. Because people don't take you serious when you don't have your eyebrows on. Anyway, today's video, I wanted to do a video to show you guys basically how I care for my hair underneath my wigs, and also how I prep my hair for my wigs, because I notice sometimes depending on how I'm wearing my hair, like I feel like being lazy and just have a couple plaits versus braiding it all the way down, it absolutely makes a difference with the way the wig feels. Today was wash day. I got my bonnet on. I'm going to show you guys first what I do. I'm not going to show you the shampoo process and all of that, but basically this is what I do. So I start with this shampoo right here, this Silk Elements, and I like the shampoo in particular because it's a clarifying shampoo. So I try to strip my hair and get all the oils off of it and clarify it. Then I go in with this shampoo. This is my Paul Mitchell Tea Tree shampoo. I like this because my scalp always itches. I just have dry, itchy scalp, so I like to use that to get like this minty feel with it, and also it does clarify my hair as well. Then after that, I go in with like a moisturizing shampoo. I don't have one up here, but I do that. Then I just condition my hair. I condition it with any conditioner that I feel like using. Today I grabbed this, was the first thing I saw, my Camille Rose. I just use a conditioner. Depending on the week, I would go in with a deep conditioner. Today in particular, I did go in. I know I'm showing y'all a lot of products, but I'm basically just trying to show you real quick how I do this. I like this conditioner right here. This is my deep conditioner. It's my Design Essentials Super Moisturizing Conditioner. And I let that sit on my head for like 30 minutes. Then after I have my conditioner on, depending on if it's just an everyday conditioner or a deep conditioner, I go in with this little cap right here. And I like this cap because I don't have to sit under the dryer, guys. I put it in the microwave. It heats up. I put it on my head for 30 minutes and boom, my hair is moisturized. I love it. Okay, so now hair is dried, hair is conditioned. What do we do now? So to prep my hair, this is where the part is. You got your gel braids, okay? So everybody's technique is so different on how they choose to style their hair underneath their wigs. My technique is gel braids. I used to go in sometimes and like braid one here, leave some in the back, do some zigzag, do all kind of crazy stuff. But for me, this works with this technique. I like to have my braids where the middle line always falls right here. And I say that because sometimes if my braids are off and the middle braid falls right here, I find that sometimes if I have like a middle part wig, it kind of gets a little lumpy. So I like it for my middle part wigs, my side wigs, side wigs. So this is the style that I choose to use. Sometimes, depending on how I'm feeling, I might go in with bigger braids, but I know I want this to last a while, so I go in with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and guess what? I'm gonna show y'all the other two. After my hair is shampooed, it's conditioned, I used to not blow dry my hair because of heat damage and stuff. I used to just kind of let my hair air dry and then go back in and cornrow it up. But I've been going in with this brush blow dryer. I put it on low and I just try to smooth the hair out a little bit. And I seem to like that. I don't have any heat damage on my hair. I use a heat protectant and it works pretty good. I've been doing it on my daughter's hair for the past 2 years and it works. So this is what y'all all came here for. Let me show you, okay? My edges are naturally thin because I think it's a hereditary thing, but I do go in with like some castor oil and I find that my edges have grown back significantly since, you know, just in general, but my edges are just naturally thin. But try castor oil, Jamaican black castor oil. I use that. As you guys see, my hair is prepped. I already started the cornrows off camera for you guys, so I'm just gonna finish up the other two on camera. So I use a rat tail comb. It just helps with parting my hair. And I go in and just part the hair off. Now, as far as perfect, straight, ain't nobody seeing your hair under these wigs, so these gel braids, it is what it is. It's good to have a clip on hand because You want to be able to clip off the hair like this. And then basically I just try to get it all even. And the way you could tell if it's even, like with the rest of the cornrows, is just kind of go down and look at it like that. Okay, so now just comb that hair out. And you take 3. You start with 3. 1. Ooh, y'all see that gray hair right there? All right, so you start 1, 2, 3, and grab 3 pieces of hair. And then, ooh, my hands are covering it. Okay, so 3 pieces of hair. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and you just start braiding. Grab under, grab some more hair. And as I'm braiding, just doing like a regular braid, I'm braiding and grabbing more hair and then put my hand underneath. It's probably really hard to see on camera because my hand is in the way. I'm sorry, guys. I was trying to show y'all how to braid. Y'all can't even see how to braid, how I'm doing it. These braids aren't going to be as neat as like if I was really styling my hair or doing my daughter's hair, but I do like to get it nice and tight. You see how it's coming along? Okay, and you just continue all the way down. Now you don't grab too much hair because you're gonna have like a big gap with the braids, but you grab little by little and just keep going down. Keep going down, down. All right, let's speed this part up. Okay, and you just braid that all the way down. Alright, so the end of my braid, I like to put a little bit of grease or oil because that's the oldest part of your hair and you want to make sure that it stays moisturized. This part is optional. I like to put rubber bands on the end of my hair and then eventually like kind of pull them off just so the braid holds. These little black rubber bands here. So these rubber bands, they don't snag your hair at all. They don't break your hair off. They really don't. It's all about the way you take it off. So I just put it at the end. Now this is the last part, and inside these parts right here, I like to put the grease or the oil, whatever you like to use. I start with grease and then when I'm done, I oil my scalp. I use this Dudley's hair conditioner. I've been using this for years. It's just what I use. All right, so now same thing. Comb your hair out and braid. Grab 3 sections. The first part is kind of hard to see on camera, but I think once I go down more, you guys can see it better. I'm going to go ahead and turn around and show you. So, you grab underneath, grab underneath, grab. All right. Y'all with me? Y'all with me? Or y'all giving up? Don't give up. It's not hard. Okay. So I'm just going to braid the rest of this out like this. Put a little bit of oil at the end of my hair. Put that rubber band to secure it. And that's the end. That's how they look. All right. So it's not like perfect, but it works, okay? And this is how the back is looking, you know, just some regular gel braids. So now when I'm done with that, I do go in with oil. Even though I'm still using my grease, I still go in with oil, and I just oil my scalp. Oh, we got oil everywhere. So I just oil in between. And that's that. And every once in a while, I do kind of moisturize and kind of go like this with my edges for anybody like struggling with edges. And it does help with growth because you're promoting circulation with your edges and you're promoting hair growth. And I also do go in every once again when I feel like being a little funky. I go in with some peppermint oil depending on how my husband feels like tolerating me. Maybe he wants a mint for the night, so that's what I do. And that's that. That pretty much wraps it up. Put some oil on the ends. I believe in moisture. We need moisture on our hair. So as your hair is under these braids, you got to take care of it. For my actual wigs, when I'm ready to wear my wigs, I use a wig cap. I mean, you guys have seen it in plenty of my videos, and I just put that on over the braids, okay? And I find that that kind of protects the hair while the wig is on it. It doesn't snag the hair. That's that. That's how I do my hair underneath my wigs. Let me know what you guys are thinking about this video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And let me know if you like videos like this, you know, give me some ideas. We're trying to switch this up a little bit and do some more stuff on this channel. I'm so happy for the growth. And until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.